Dexter all around. Trying to get the pool to have some type of adjustment, so it's looking good. That's how that's been there. He's trying to vacuum that out. There's all the leaves and gunk that's up in there.
Well, this gets all the small stuff, plus the leaves, but you can actually get the leaves with the
Skimmer.
small
Oh,
stuff.
with this. Mm.
What it was is I put in a clarifier.
Ah.
So what the clarifier does when you put it in,
Yeah.
it grabs hold of stuff, and that's what falls down on the ground. See all this stuff that looks like green?
Yeah.
See, it wasn't there yesterday. But when I put that clarifier in it, it's that fluid, that big bottle behind that bleach.
Yeah.
You just put a cup full in it, and it goes throughout the pool, and it grabs little stuff, and then it drops it, so you can clean it up.
Yes, Dan.